Solidarity ukakamavu.
Thutha wa president gwikira kirore bill ya wendia wa kambuni cia thirikari kuri andu kiumbe, riu ikundi itiganite cia guthetera aruti a wira bururi-ini na imenereirie ikinya riri makienda thirikari iricirie keri.
I'm the Chief Administrative Officer of County Government Workers Union.
Imwe cia honge iria ikundi cirenda itigithukanio na wendia uyu ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa mahinya ma kuhuthika, utungata wa mai na sekta-ini ya kuramata njira cia gute mai ma giko.
Mambo ya kubinafsisha maji, stima au uzoaji wa taka uweze kukoma, na hiyo yote irudishwe kwenye municipalities zetu wafanye hiyo kazi. Na wakati wanafanya, because it's their personal role, wahakikishe kwamba kuna usawa na kuna utaratibu ambao unaweka environment katika jamii zetu kwa hali nzuri ya afya.
We call on the government of Kenya, county governments, development partners and private sector actors to immediately cease all privatization efforts and engage with us in good faith to build a people-centered public services that uphold dignity, equity and sustainability.
Oho ni mendekithitie kugia na waragania miheanire-ini ya motungata kuri muigi hatari na muthutukanio wa kana wigitonga kana muthini.
Mandate and fund gender responsive and social inclusion budgeting and impact assessment for all public utility projects to explicitly recognize and reduce the unpaid care burden on women and girls caused by inaccessible, privatized or failing services.
Marenda tumia na airetu kururu na njira ya mwanya kumana na mogwati maria makoragwo mamangetheire na makiria maheo mugambo makiria na mayukio mieke-ini ya mawira.
Kuna wamama, vijana, watu ambao wanaishi na ulemavu. Tunataka kusisitiza kwamba lazima tuwe na usawa. Kama unaandika wanaume ama vijana, lazima pia uhakikishe hizo viwango zote zinafanya kazi katika hizo kampuni ambazo zinapeana huduma hizo. So tutahakikisha kwamba demand yetu ni kwamba wakati tunafanya tunawaajiri tuhakikishe kwamba kuna usawa. Kuwe na vijana, kuwe na wazee, kuwe na mama, hata pia wakati tunawapatia kazi.
Oho ni mathingatite uramati wa maria maturigicĩirie bururi-ini na nja wa bururi na gukuruhania muingi maundu-ini mothe ma kubacĩrĩra maria maturigicĩirie.
Reject and ban greenwashing and extractive practices by private actors that seek to profit from environmental degradation or undermine climate justice. All public utility investments must align with national climate goals and international human rights obligations.
Maraiga bururi ndubationa ati ya kurumirira mitaratara vengi nene ya thi ya World Bank na IMF aria meciragia oro uthondeki wa vaita no mabatie gutigirira ni mahe kambuni ici ciothe uramati uria wagiriire na mbeca iria irabatara gutwarithia mihang'o yao na mbere.
And requiring the proactive and accessible public participation of all utility-related documents, including financial audits, performance reports, procurement contracts, operational data, and any contracts relating to PPPs or service level agreements. Guarantee the independence and funding of regulatory bodies, empowering them to effectively monitor public utilities and hold management accountable to the public and labor standards, not just financial metrics.
Hadwine ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kehumo.